Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Calicut University old results. To begin, navigate to the official Calicut University website. Once there, look for the Examination or Results section, usually found in the main navigation or quick links. It is crucial to have your registration number and other relevant details, such as your course and semester, readily available before you start your search. This will streamline the process significantly. After reaching the Results section, you will typically find options for current and old results. Click on the link specifically for old results or archived results. You will then need to select your degree program, the specific semester, and the examination period from the provided drop-down menus. Carefully enter your unique registration number into the required field. Double-check all entered information to avoid any errors and ensure a successful search. Once you submit your details, your results will typically appear, often in a downloadable PDF format or directly on the web page. It is highly recommended to download or print a copy of your result for your personal records and future reference. If you face any difficulties, such as results not being found, first re-verify all the information you entered. Sometimes, trying a different web browser or clearing your browser's cache can resolve minor technical glitches. For the most accurate information, always refer to official university announcements regarding result publication dates and procedures. It is vital to keep your registration details confidential and secure to protect your academic information. If, after following these steps, you still cannot access your old results, do not hesitate to contact the Calicut University Examination Branch directly. They can provide personalized assistance and help you retrieve the necessary documents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.